If you are from Pakistan, I want you to be my best friend. I've said it time and time again. Pakistan is my favorite nation ever. So if you don't know, I actually lived in Lahore, Pakistan for 3 months when I was 19 years old. I was a non-Muslim at the time. The Pakistani people were so nice to me, and it set such a good example of Islam. So I have got so much nostalgia with Pakistani people. And I genuinely mean this. Hold up, about to get hit by a car. If you are from Pakistan, you are my favorite person. Like, I love you guys wholeheartedly. I love you so much. I almost just got hit by that car just so I could tell you that I love you. But I'm serious, and I declare this as law on TikTok. Pakistan is now the coolest, the #1 nation out there. And there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. Who's with me? You agree? Pakistan mentioned, rah, Pakistan #1.